everyone, I'm Pilvi and we're back at the cabin. I'm joined today by Teemu.
My name is Teemu Tiainen and I'm a production manager here in Kivara.
What does a production manager actually do?
Me and my team, we are responsible of daily production and also the maintenance of tools and properties here in Kivara.
How many people do you have in your team?
I have 7 people now. 4 supervisors and 3 specialists doing development work.
So Teemu, what are the main responsibilities of a production manager?
My main goal is to help people succeed in their work. In my opinion, it comes from small things like good working areas, safety things, that their tools and machines are working well and they are feeling comfortable in their jobs.
Who do you collaborate with internally if you think about the different stakeholders?
Yeah, I think that production is that kind of function that everybody wants bite from us, and I think that the main stakeholders are our R&D department and then also supply chain management, HR. Also, one of my main jobs is that I keep the good mood between these functions and keep everybody happy.
How do you and your team work to keep our customers happy?
Of course, customers are, I think the main thing why we are here. Our main job is to try to reach their expectation every day. So basically that means that we do our best to meet their quality expectations and delivery times or everything like that.
How do you solve challenges every day?
Think that challenges are more or less our daily work. Those bumps ups every here and there all the time, and we have excellent team and excellent operators and also good and working relationship with our other functions to solve those challenges we face all the time.
Do you have a favorite composite that we make?
I have to say I love them all, from basic tubes to the complex profiles. Actually, I'm pretty fascinated and proud all the products we are doing, and we all should be proud. Of course, those has had like a bumpy road from first trials and to the production mode. They have a kind of special place in my heart.
What makes you smile at work?
I used to smile almost all the time, and I think that things shouldn't be taken too seriously. A positive way of looking things makes things much easier to handle.
Thank you so much, Teemu, for joining us today. These are starting to look ready, so I think it's time to go and eat.
All right, thanks.
Thank you so much for watching.